Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here again with another delivery video. Right now we have our first order, and this is actually at a different location that is kind of close by the Walmart we usually go to, and it's a lot smaller. So I'm hoping this one will be done a little bit faster and there won't be as many people that we have to go by. So I will see you guys once we get to the store. Alright guys, those have been picked up and it's like a mile away for the first drop off, so I will see you guys over there. Let's go get it done. Alright guys, that is the first set of orders done. We're going to probably head back to our usual location. That was just a nice little different scenery, so I will see you guys once we get over there. All right guys, we got to the store and we actually got our next order. They are going to be packing it up, so I'll just be waiting till we get that, and then I'll show you guys it all stored away. And it's kind of far away, but for the pay and not having to shop is actually pretty good. So I will see you guys once we're all packed up. Alright guys, as you just saw, we're all packed up and the first one is less than a mile away, so let's go get it done. We have just made it to house number 2. Alright, our last order is like 8 minutes out, so we're gonna start heading over there right now. All 3 orders have been dropped off. I'm heading back to the store now, like 10 minutes away, so hopefully we'll get our 3rd order pretty quick. So I'm driving back to the store and we got our next order. Looks like a pretty basic grocery shopping. Shouldn't take us too long, and hopefully we'll get it done within 30 or 40 minutes. So I am heading back to the store. Once we get there, we will start picking it up. Once again, another quick order packed up. We're gonna head to the house right now, and we're at like around $60, so it's actually a pretty good day so far. Man, it's been a pretty solid day so far. 3 trips now have been completed, all very good pay and not very far, so it's been a pretty nice day so far. Once again, we're going to be heading back to the store, and once I get an order, you guys will know. So we keep on getting these nice $20 bombs. Only 12 items or 11 items with 12 quantity. Should be a pretty quick pickup, and it is not going to be that far of a drive, so we're going to hit at least 100 in the next 2 orders hopefully. So let's go get in there and get it done. We are heading to the checkout now. We are fully packed up. we are now 4 orders down, and we are heading back to the store for probably 1 or 2 more. We got our next order. It is a pretty big order. There's actually a ton of items, but it's a really great pay. So get this done as fast as we can, and might try 1 more after. We will see. All right, we got part 1 of the order dropped off. We're gonna start heading to the house number 2. All right, that order has been dropped off, and I think I'm going to try to do 1 more order. So whenever that comes in, I will be back with you guys. So I was waiting around for this last order, and I just got probably the biggest order that we've had to do on this channel. It will probably take a while to actually pack up and do, but it's gonna be really worth it for the pay. So let's go get it done. So we have the final order of the video packed up, and I want to apologize that I didn't film that much just because there were so many groceries and I was just kind of locked in at that moment trying to get this done as fast as I can. So it is all loaded up. You'll see me dropping them off, and then we'll go over everything that we've done today, and I will see you guys then. All right, we are officially on our last drop off of this video. Now I gotta say, even with these handles, that order was really heavy. I tried to take it all in one trip, and that was a lot of groceries to take, but it is dropped off, and we will go over the numbers in a second. All right, guys, that will be it for this video. We're going to have some of the numbers here. So of course, we're gonna start with the time that we've been going for. Then of course our total, the miles we drove, and the hourly rate. I want to thank you guys again for watching this video. Please let me know anything you guys would like me to change, or what else you'd like to see during these deliveries, because we've been kind of going through the same motions every time. So if there's anything you guys want to see, please let me know. And also please like, comment, and subscribe. We are still trying to hit 500, so please help me do that. And you guys have a great rest of your day or night. See you next time.